Even though there are fewer applicants to law school over the last 3 years than in the previous decade, there's still an advantage to applying early in the application cycle. If you took the June LSAT, you really want to try to submit all of your applications by the end of September or early October. In fact, a rule of thumb I often use is to submit your applications before the next LSAT administration. So, for example, if you took the LSAT in June, you want to submit your applications before all of the September or October LSAT takers. Same goes for December if you're an October LSAT taker. So you want to think about that month to 6 weeks after your LSAT as being the key time to submit applications. Why is this important? Well, quite frankly, it's important because law schools are really anxious to fill their spots with qualified applicants, and being among the first can make you more competitive, even if your numbers are a little bit low. By showing specific interest in a school and why it's a top school for you, for example, by applying early decision, you let the law school know that you're pretty much a sure thing, and that can also increase your chances of being admitted. If you're applying later in the cycle with a December LSAT score, you can still be competitive, especially if your numbers are strong for a school. But if your numbers are a little low for a school, it starts to get harder because at that time of year, the law schools have already created waiting lists. They're already admitted candidates, they already interviewed candidates, so it's really hard to be competitive with lower numbers. However, I've seen some crazy things happen. Just this year, I had a client apply a week before the June deadline to Fordham Law School with a lower LSAT score, but from a great undergraduate school, great work experience, great leadership, good grades. And she got in. So don't count yourself out. This is definitely a buyer's market for law school, so take advantage by applying early.